Oh, rock on. They picked me. Ladies, get out of here. Come on. Get. Let's talk about documents and all of the great things that it has in store for you in your classroom. Let's talk about documents in our Google Docs package that we have at Tri Creek. You're going to choose the building that you teach at or that you work at, and you're going to log in through that link on our Google Docs page. So when you click there, you're going to log in with your username and then your password. If it's your first time, your password should be Try Google. After that, you're going to change your password. This is the screen that you see once you log in to Google Docs. You'll notice that over here I have a running timeline of all of the documents that are either my documents or documents that are shared with me. Over on this side, you're going to see all of my collections, and these are different collections that are ways to organize different documents that you have. Up at the top, what we're going to focus on today is creating a new, and we're going to create a new document. And basically what a document is a Word file from Microsoft Office. So we're going to click on Document. And you'll notice when I click on Document that the screen looks very, very similar to Microsoft Word, especially the Word 2003 that we're running at Tri Creek. Now, up at the top, this is where I'm going to save my document. So this is what I'm going to name my document. So today I'm just going to name it as, let's say, Google Docs Training Video. And I click OK. You're going to notice that about every 5 seconds my document automatically saves without me doing anything. So when you type into your document, you'll notice that it gives you the option of save now. Well, my mouse isn't even over there, but about every 5 seconds it's going to automatically save your document. So gone are the days that when you're in a computer lab and the computer freezes and the student loses 20 minutes worth of work. The most that they'll possibly lose right now is 5 seconds worth of work, which is a really cool feature. Another cool feature is that anywhere that you have an internet connection, you'll have access to your document, so you won't have to worry about carrying a flash drive around or emailing a document back and forth to yourself. You'll notice here at the top that we have several of the same features that we have in Office. You can change font, change the size, bold, italics, underline, text color. You can highlight it. You can insert links, images, you can have bulleted lists, numbered lists, you can indent, your alignments are all right here. So those are some great features in our Google Docs package. Some other things that we have in Google Docs are the ability to share our document. And you will have watched a video already from Stephanie Olson who showed you how to share with a different email address and what your email address is for Google Docs. And to share a document, it's very simple to do this. So let's say that I was going to share a document with Laren Childress at the middle school. All I have to do is type in his username, his building, and then the rest of his email address. And then I can share and save that with him. And then it is shared with him. So now this document shows up with Laren wherever he's at. We can both work on this document at the same time. Another great feature of a document is if a student shared a document with you and you want to change something. So let's say that you wanted to put a comma after hello. All you have to do is highlight hello, click on control, or do a right click on hello, and then click on comment. And you'll see over on the side a comment box pops up. And I can leave a comment. Please place a comma after hello. I leave that comment. Now when that student logs in, or you log in, you're going to see that that word's highlighted, and that means that there's a comment on that word. And when they click on it, it brings the comment up. So if I'm going to put over here, I can put my comma. Then I can resolve. Again, to the same fact, if you wanted to do, please make this a question mark, highlight it, right click on it, please change to a question mark, leave a comment, that's now highlighted, I can change it to a question mark, and the student sees that in real time. Another great feature of Google Docs is the ability to go back in time and see different versions of a document, see when other people changed your document, and be able to go back to a previous version if you really wanted to. This means that you'll never lose any change that you ever make. You are never going to lose that change. If you accidentally press the backspace button and delete your whole document, it's going to remember your previous changes. So to show how this works, here's a document that we used for a training session. And you'll see the times down here. Now this was something that I had made a previous version of this document, so we'll click on See Revision History. And you can see in the current revision, you can see how I had to change the times on the document. So if I go one step back, you can see how I had the times before. So I can restore this version of the document. And now I've automatically changed the times back to what they were in the beginning just by going into my revision history. Now one more time, if I click on See Revision History again, if I go back to a new one, which is going to show me when I changed. Here's the one where I changed the times to the current time frame. All I have to do is click on Restore this revision, and my revision is back to where it was. So again, another powerful feature of documents. And the last thing that we're going to talk about is seeing where my saved document went. So we have our Google Docs training video, and I clicked on Save up at the top, or it automatically saved. And when I go back to my home screen for Google Docs, you'll see that it shows up right into my mishmash, if you will, of files, and it's right there at the top. And I'll always be able to find that. I can do a search for it as well. So if, let's say, I wanted to search for it, Google Docs training video, you'll see how it comes up, and I can do a search for it, and it'll bring me right to that screen. I hope you enjoyed the video today. Be sure to click on the home button on the next screen to take you back home. Thanks for watching this video. You can click this home button at any point in time and take you back to the main screen. Maybe you want to take a quiz. Maybe you want to learn about sharing. Just press this button at any point in time and you can go back to the home screen. Have you clicked it yet? Come on. I'm on the clock here. I don't have much time now. Let's go. Click the button. Let's go. Come on.